traffic in the area of Thud Ridge to the west of Hanoi, involving an F-105 flight, a Detroit flight, and one of Detroit's aircraft. They think the pilot became hypoxic. He never made it home, and we can't, they never did quite figure out what happened to him, but apparently was shot down or otherwise crashed. At any rate, here's the tape.
Detroit, we got MiGs under us. Under who? Detroit, we got MiGs under us. Come on back around. Come on back around. Roger, I got him. Okay, Roger. And fire and heavy. I got MiGs all around this place. Come on up here. Come on back. Let's go, Detroit. There. Look at the MiGs. Come on, you little bastard. Let's fight. Okay, Detroit, there's a MiG going, turning south here. At 11 o'clock, got him. Okay, it's an unfriendly. Got two sparking around. I got one on the tail. Hey, they're building a new airfield out here. Okay, Jack. Give me a little bit of Detroit, please. Brian, do you have a tally on me? Roger, long left turn down across the river. Right, Georgia boat's in the black. I had one on my ass for a minute. Better take the lead. I've lost you. I'm going at the right side. This is 2. Okay. Okay, Texas, let's light them up. Okay, Texas, let's light them up. Target Texas. This is Bone Crusher on guard. This is Bone Crusher on guard. As a MiG out of the Alpha Hotel 1, doing time 0845, out. One's out. And I'm going left. Keep it moving, they're shooting pretty good. Get one of those MiGs, boss. I'm in fin. Well, there's about 8 of them down there swallowing out like flies. There's no cell. Detroit, we got MiGs right under us, right under us. What's the elevation on Detroit? I'm right over the target right now. I've got a 17 right in front of me. I'm going after him. Spread out there, 2 to 3. There he goes. I'll get him. He's turning hard right. Come on up here, Detroit. You left us. You're by yourself now. Roger, I'm mixing it up with 3, 4 MiGs. Okay, I'll be back. Let's go back, Detroit. Detroit, back starboard. And fire and heavy. I got MiGs all around this place. Come on up here. Come on back. Let's go, Detroit. There. Look at the MiGs. I got 2 of them coming in on me. Boy, I need a little bit of help. Just a little bit. I got some there. Okay, what's your position, Detroit 1? Right over the ridge. To southern end. Taking one on head on. An altitude. We got a little bit hit. Give me your direction and altitude. Roger, I'm going 240, right on the deck. I'm getting hit several times, I think. I got cannonballs going all around me. Come on, get up out of there, Detroit. I can't. I got a whole bunch of them behind me. Okay, Detroit, there's a MiG going, turning south here. Got a bogey behind 11 o'clock, Barry. Got him. Okay, it's an unfriendly.
End of recording.